you got going on here?
I've been spending a lot more time at Lowe's Home Improvement. Not only for business, but on the weekends, I'll peruse the aisles with the missus. We go in there for like household cleaners, bird food. I've been going there for years and years and years, and Spyder, with their branding, always seems to catch my eye.
Colors catch your eye.
The colors. And finally, I started to kind of give in. Because in case you're unaware, I am a creature of habit. But I was like, let me try these out, because the very cool gang seems to love Spyder. The one thing I haven't tried yet has been any of these Mach-Blue Driver Bits. And they had these on sale. I wanted to see how Spyder does with their driver bits. I mean, they're eye-catching, but are they any good? Spyder Mach-Blue impact-rated driver bits are the pro's choice for demanding high-torque impacting applications. Listen, we could read this all day long.
You gotta see what it does.
We could read this all night long. The reality is that we're just gonna open them up and see how they do.
I like the case. I can tell you that just from looking at it right now. I like the case. I like the clear top. And like you said, these colors always do catch my eye.
That's pretty.
It's a cool case. I like it.
I feel like it's deeper than a
It
lot
definitely
of
is.
cases. You know what's good about this case compared to maybe other cases? These are already standing up.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And they go in and out of the case pretty doggone simple. Now this, you're gonna have to unlock it and and slide it up
to get to the back.
And then boom, if you want the 2-inch bits, it's got a little latch, a little latching system. See the latching system?
I like that because it allows you to put more of the longer bits and fit them into the case. And then it looks like you could shift these around too if you wanted to, if you want to kind of reorganize it.
The reorganizer. It's kind of like the reanimator.
I'll tell you another thing I like about it being deep is inevitably I always have like a bit that I need, like a security bit or something that's not part of that kit. And then I go to throw it in the bit kit, but it doesn't close right. So with a little bit more deeperness, I might be able to add a couple more pieces.
I'll tell you what, take a look at this, the magnetism in this drive. Watch. You know what's good about that? Multiple things. Some other drives will use some type of hog ring to lock it in, and then sometimes the bit is nearly impossible to get out.
Especially when you're working and sweating.
Yeah, this uses a pretty strong magnet to capture that drive bit.
Nice. See
how it works on an impact driver. Of course, we got some screws. You know what I'm going to start with? I want to secure this down. I think maybe we should lag it down. And that is going to require a little bit larger of a Torx bit. Here's the best part about this.
What do those Torx bits go up to?
This is up to T40.
Oh, wow.
A lot of times you don't get a T40 that large in a kit like this.
You'll get up to 27 or 30 maybe.
This is a 30. This is a 25.
I like that they give you the 30 and the 40 though, because not every kit gives you a 40. Some give you a 30, but I very rarely do I see a 40 in there.
No, I know. This is the, look at that. Look how easily that comes out of there though. I like that. This is the 30.
Seems like it has a good bite.
It's some positive engagement.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's got a lot of bite to it, it looks like.
A lot of bite. Let's try the number 2s. You know what's great about this kit more than anything? I like that there's a variety of different bits. You're doing remodeling projects. These houses, some have been built in the early 1900s, late 1800s. They've been through renovation after renovation after renovation. Standards and building practices have changed, where before or previously, maybe you were using slotted screws. You're going to need slotted driver bits. Then things have progressed over time to Phillips. And finally, you'd go into maybe finding some Torx drives. Let's pop that out. Let's pop in that Phillips bit. You know what the crazy part about this is? And you could say what you want, but visually, they're appealing.
They are. I mean, there's something to be said for wanting things to look good, and they got a cool color to them. They got a cool design.
Wow. I mean, even these 3-inch drywall fasteners into 3 inches of wood. I mean, you need to apply a tremendous amount of torque to these screws. So keeping contact with the driver bit and the fastener, sometimes you get a whole bunch of cam out. Want to test it out?
Yeah, let the king of cam out give it a shot, see what happens.
I mean, those 3-inch, no problem at all. You didn't even have a problem. The king of cam out.
The king of cam, yeah, the king of cam out. I spin them as well as anybody else.
Let's take a look at these Torx bits in here.
I liked it to give you multiples in the 2-inch too, because every once in a while I like running the 2-inch.
Look at the fitment. Look at that. Wow. Whoa.
Smooth.
Smooth. These are 20s.
Can I see that kit while you're driving?
Here, try some screws. You're gonna love it.
You're gonna love it. Yeah. Great engagement, great bite on the bit. I mean, obviously you're gonna test the metal of this over time, but initial impressions are every bit as good, if not better, than the competition. I mean, it gives you everything you want. Gives you everything you want, plus a cool looking package.
Here, make way. No! The next thing I kind of want to test is the Nutsetters. This has a nice fitment. Look at how well that sits in there. Pretty good screws, if I do say so myself. I'm just trying to really, honestly, I'm just trying to illustrate the Nutsetter himself. This one's the 5/16. This one, and you know what's great about these? This is the 1/4 inch. You know what's great though, is that they're actually labeled, so you know which one you're grabbing.
Yeah, I think they put a lot of thought into the process of how they were going to build this kit out, because like you had mentioned earlier, I really like how these bits kind of stand up and proud, where like some of the other competitors, these tabs, you got to pull them up or you got to kind of manipulate them a little bit. But when you're working all day, if you have gloves on, if your hands are sweating or whatever, it's nice, just real simple when it stands up proud like this. They're much easier to get in and out of the case, which, you know, it saves some time, makes it a little bit more efficient in my opinion.
If you were going to be doing some metal stud for a Raymond, or maybe you're up in the ceiling somewhere, here's the deal. You need the screw, let's say you need the screw two studs or 2 track together. You could potentially do it, depending on what you have going on, but let's just say you needed a little extra length. You do have multiple options. You could take your 1/4x1/4 adapter, pop it in here, then pop your Nutsetter, you have some extra length. Let's just say you were super deep in, or you needed to reach out and touch someone. Here's the best part about this Spyder Mach-Blue Driver Bit set. They have additional accessories. Look at these, Jimmy.
Oh, sweet.
I picked these up for us too.
Nice.
These are quick change bit holders. This is a 6-inch. and this is a 12-inch. Here's the deal. So the 6-inch was $12.98, and the 12-inch was $13.98. So only $1 difference. 6 inches of additional steel is only worth $1. But I like that they have a cohesive system. If I'm saying,
sure,
you don't need to go outside of the Spyder ecosystem to get an extension. They sell it. It's not like a one-off. They're going not only wide with their offerings, they're going deep too. So now here's the deal on this. If you did need additional length and you wanted something that locked, let's just say you were in tight somewhere, this now is locked in. Whereas this bit is just magnetic. You could lose this up in the ceiling. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
It could, because it's the strength of the magnet, you could potentially have this pop off as you're screwing together.
Yeah, and if you're working overhead or far out, I mean, any added security is a big benefit.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Wait, I have a question. That's locked in there.
Yeah.
Like swimwear. I like these a lot.
Get a little extension.
Yeah. Well, let's lock our Nutsetter in there. We're locked in. Say we wanted to get in tight. Boom, done. And we could just work our way along our whatever we're screwing together. And you know, here's the deal. We have plenty of reach. Nice. I like this a lot. You can see we're locked in. We don't have to worry about that Nutsetter coming loose. I love this new Mach-Blue kit. And if you like when we bring you the newest tool accessories that you could use on the job site or at home during your DIY projects, then go down below and smash the like button. While you're down there, if you're early to this video, go to the comment section and leave the comment first. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious title and possibly win an award. What's your favorite part, you think?
My favorite part is the accessibility to the bits, especially the smaller bits, because I know it sounds silly, but it's efficiency, it's time. You got gloves on, your hands are sweating, like I said earlier. Just pop them in, pop them out. You don't have to worry about these things these black tabs popping out or moving around in your case or having to rearrange these or move them around. It's just, I like the convenience of that.
Be honest with you, I'm a creature of habit when it comes to a lot of these things. I find something that works, and a lot of times I'm not necessarily always open to trying new stuff. I'm glad this caught my eye.
Yeah.
I think that it had something to do, once again,
Color scheme.
the color scheme just caught my eye.
Get you.
That's the thing. It's like eye-appealing food. It looks good, so you want to take a bite. Now that I took a bite, I actually see that it actually tastes good.
Look good, feel good, play good.
If you wanted to see pricing for this Spyder Mach-Blue kit, there should be a YouTube shopping button down below. I'll have the locking extensions and this 40-piece kit in there for you to look at the price. If you choose to buy it, we'll get a small commission. You know what's great about the YouTube shopping button? It keeps us from becoming beholden. If the very cool gang decides to buy something from the YouTube shopping button, we get a small commission, and that means that we get to make the content that you want to see, not have to make content that we're getting paid to make by anybody but you. So, if you'd be so obliged, it won't cost you any additional money. We get a small commission. It's a win-win situation. Jimmy likes it because we get to buy more stuff.
We get to buy more stuff.
So help the channel out.
I get to play with more stuff.
All right. Listen, everybody. Leave it down in the comment section below. Have you checked out the new Spyder Mach-Blue Driver Bits? Do you love them? Do you hate them? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Hope to see you all on the next one.